Cool little bridge there by this restaurant that closed. That's the sign for the restaurant used to be here. Reserve parking.
People always take those home when they find them usually.
Yeah. It's a cool sign they had. It's a cool sign they have on their building. If it lit up, you couldn't miss that. They got all the handles off the doors. Hey, they still got salt and pepper on the table. They don't have very many tables. It's mostly cleared out. They still got pictures on the walls too. What's that up there on the ceiling? Can't tell what that is. Can you tell what that is way up there? On the ceiling on the other side. Oh, that's like
oh, a seafood thing.
Seafood thing. Okay.
Well,
Not sure if you can. Yeah, you can see it.
Ohio Village restaurant, and they left the seafood in the bakery box. That would explain the rope.
There's the one we were just at earlier.
Stuff would be for the seafood, like
Yeah.
rope.
Cute little bushes there.
Yeah, salt and pepper still on the table. They
Wow.
put the chairs on top.
It's crazy.
Like they were cleaning and never finished.
Yeah, those are cute little trees. There, they got most of them closed.
Yeah. It's very dark inside.
It's very dark inside. Wow, you can't see anything. Jeez. You can see the windows on the other side. That's about it. Wow.
Can't see much.
No, it's really dark.
It looks open.
What were these?
Propane tanks.
Propane tanks? Cool.
That's crazy that they would leave those for that case. This is leaking something.
Ew.
This is broken after stuff leaking. I can't imagine a hotel would want this
Yeah.
so close to them.
Spider webs by the door.
Trash companies never picked up.
Anything?
No, it doesn't work. Yeah.
That's the way to get rodents and roaches and everything under the sun.
The light still works there.
So they still have power.
Interesting. Little patio type thing. The cool tree in the middle. That light don't
There's
work.
A couple of them. Dead birds.
Chain on the door.
So these guys
Oh,
aren't actually.
that one opens a bit, but it's chained.
These guys just changed the location.
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't think they do though. I think it's close.
Not me.
There you can see in a little bit. There's a shark up there on the wall.
Yeah.
Dang, I don't think you can see it. It's so dark. There's a shark on the wall.
A shark on the wall.
A shark on the wall.
There it is.
But I don't think you can see it in the video though, because it's so dark.